All right, guys, looks like we have an MPS V2 setting up right here. I'm going to put a pending buy limit over here at this high. And there we go. We got the pending order sitting right there. As soon as price swings up, it'll fill our order. And once that fills, we'll try to aim for about 30, 31 to 1. And once we get our stop loss moved in profit, we'll aim for a 60.1 to 2 RR. So it looks like price is kind of just sitting down here for a little bit. Let's give it some time here to swing back up. Volatility starting to pick up right here. All right, so price is pushing up a little bit. I'll take a look at the time and sales in a few. All right, looking over here, looks like we got some buyers coming in. So this should fill our order pretty shortly. Give it a few more moments. Looks like it's pushing up here. There we go. We're in the position. So again, like I said, we're going to be aiming for a 1-to-1 30-30 right here. Once our stop loss gets moved in profit, we'll be aiming for that 1-to-2. So you can see over here, our stop loss is currently 30-point stop loss, 60-point TP. As we get closer and closer to our TP and price moves in profit, our trailing stop loss will move in profit with it. If it has an error like it does sometimes, we'll just move it manually. So let's see where we're at. Okay, let's bring this down a little bit more. Let's go for that like 1-to-2, 1-to-1.5 to 1-to-2 right there. Looking at the time and sales here, looks like some sellers are trying to push price down a little bit, but we'll wait for some buyers here to come back in control. All right, got a little bit of some drawdown here. Wait for this to swing back up. Looks like the buyers are pushing price up, so we should be okay. I just gotta wait for this here to swing up. Give it a few more moments here. I see a big buy order come in right here. So let's see if this here swings up from this point. A couple of sells holding this down. Okay, we got some buys pushing in right now. There we go with the volatility to the upside. All right, we're back in profit here. Price is pushing up in our direction. A few points in profit as we speak. Looking at the time and sales, we got some more buy orders over here pushing up. So this is looking good for our position so far. Let's see if we move our stop loss in profit shortly. Right, 11 points in profit. Pushing up a little further. The volatility here is getting a little slow, so I might just move my stop loss in profit manually just to lock in and guarantee some profits here. 14 points in profit. 15 points in profit. 16 points. See where we're at right now. Let's move this in profit. So we're gonna move this up in profit about, let's see, about 17 points here. As it pushes up higher, I'll move it up a little higher as well. So we're aiming for that 60-point TP, 21 points in profit. Looks like the volatility here is kind of slowing down a bit. So let's move our stop loss in profit closer to about 25 points. Let's get that 1-to-1 locked in. And there we go. Stopped out in profit. So looking at our profits here, we locked in about, let's say about 12,000 for the day. Let's look for the next trade.